Imagine stepping into a world where your deepest desires and wildest dreams are not only visible but vividly displayed before your eyes, serving as a daily reminder of where your heart truly wants to lead you. Picture an inspiring and beautifully crafted vision board, neatly adorned with images that represent your future achievements, mounted on your bedroom or office wall. This isn't just an aesthetic addition to your space. It's a powerful tool designed to transform your abstract dreams into concrete realities. In a society overwhelmed with fleeting digital notifications and fast-paced lifestyles, the simple, tangible art of crafting a vision board brings a refreshing focus back to personal aspirations and manifesting one's destiny. A vision board is more than just a collection of pictures and quotes. It embodies the essence of your aspirations, acting as a constant reminder of your potential and goals. Psychologically, it taps into the law of attraction, a philosophy suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life. By visualizing what you wish to achieve, you subconsciously align your energy and actions towards these goals, thereby increasing the likelihood of actualization. Scientific studies reinforce the effectiveness of this tool. For instance, a study in the Journal of Psychology noted that people who visualized their success daily were significantly more likely to achieve their goals than those who didn't. This is due to a phenomenon known as encoding, where the repeated observation of images and phrases related to one's goals reinforces these objectives in the brain, enhancing motivation and focus. It's also about motivation. As human beings, we are visually oriented. Seeing a clear image of what we aspire to, be it a healthier body, a new business, or a dream vacation, makes it easier for us to connect to our goals emotionally and logically, thus fostering a stronger commitment to achieving them. The process of assembling a vision board is both creative and introspective. Start by reflecting on your goals for various aspects of your life: personal, professional, health, relationships, and finances. Once you have a clear understanding of your objectives, gather magazines, photographs, inspirational quotes, and any other items that resonate with your ambitions. When selecting elements, choose those that genuinely inspire you and are aligned with your personal values and dreams. This ensures that every glance at your vision board rejuvenates your resolve and boosts your confidence and determination. Next, think about the arrangement. There is no right or wrong way to organize your vision board, but maintaining a balance between clutter and space allows each goal to stand out. Aesthetic appeal should not be underestimated. It enhances the pleasure and frequency with which you interact with your board. Lastly, the placement of your vision board is crucial. It should be in a location where you will see it multiple times a day, whether it's on the wall facing your bed or beside your desk. Its visibility ensures that your goals are not just in the background, but a central part of your daily life. Integrating daily affirmations and visualization. To complement your vision board, incorporate daily affirmations and visualization techniques. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated often, help in overcoming self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They hone your focus, increase your confidence, and reinforce your goals. Visualization, on the other hand, involves mentally enacting your dreams. By vividly imagining your success, you stimulate the same neural networks that actual actions do, thus preparing your brain to actually undertake these tasks. It's like a rehearsal in your mind's eye, helping to bridge the gap between dreams and reality. Develop a routine where you spend a few minutes every morning or evening in front of your vision board. Reflect on your affirmations, visualize your achievements, and allow these practices to deeply imprint your desires into your consciousness. This ritual not only supports your mental and emotional alignment with your goals, but also serves as a powerful daily motivation. Through these steps, your vision board becomes more than a mere collection of pictures. It evolves into a dynamic catalyst that propels you towards your dreams, urging you not only to dream big, but also to act in alignment with those dreams. Unlock 2024 with your vision board and transform it into the year you step closer to your ideal life, where ambitions are not just envisioned, but dynamically achieved.